Welcome to this YouTube video on Introduction to AI Technology. In this video, we will be discussing the current state of AI technology and how it's changing the landscape of work and online earning. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, and it's now becoming an essential part of many industries, including marketing, healthcare, finance, and more. We'll be taking a closer look at how AI is transforming the way we work and make money online. And we'll also be sharing some of the most exciting developments in this field. Whether you're new to AI or have some experience with it, this video is a must-watch to stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements in the world of AI technology. In 2023, the demand for remote work is expected to increase, and the integration of AI technology will further revolutionize the way we work. One of the most lucrative work-from-home job opportunities that involve AI is data annotation, which involves labeling data sets to train machine learning algorithms. Another popular job is machine learning, where individuals can train machines to identify patterns and make decisions based on data. Natural language processing is another area that is expected to grow in demand, with opportunities to work on developing speech recognition, language translation, and sentiment analysis software. In this video, we will provide a detailed overview of these top work-from-home job opportunities that involve AI, including the skills required, the tools used, and the potential earning opportunities. Crafting a winning resume that catches the eye of companies that use AI for their operations requires attention to detail and specific strategies. First, it is important to tailor the resume to the job posting and highlight relevant skills and experience, including industry-specific keywords. And showcasing measurable achievements can also make the resume stand out. Additionally, incorporating examples of AI-related projects or training can demonstrate a genuine interest and aptitude for the field. It is also important to format the resume for ATS, applicant tracking systems, compatibility, which can screen resumes for specific keywords and criteria. Finally, having a strong online presence, including a professional social media profile or personal website, can provide additional credibility and showcase relevant skills and experience. Setting up an AI-powered online business requires careful planning and consideration. First, you need to identify your niche market and the AI tools and platforms that align with your business goals. You should invest in chatbots to automate customer interactions, personalized recommendations to drive sales, and automated content creation tools to streamline content creation. It's important to focus on user experience and make sure your website is mobile-friendly and easy to navigate. You should also implement data analytics to track your website's performance and user behavior to continuously improve your customers' experience. By following these best practices, you can create a successful AI-powered online business that drives traffic, conversions, and revenue. To get started with an AI-powered online business, the first step is to determine your niche and target audience. Once you have a clear understanding of your market, you can choose the right tools and platforms that align with your business goals. Some popular options for AI-powered businesses include chatbots, automated content creation, and personalized recommendations. To create a successful marketing strategy, it's important to establish a strong online presence, build a brand identity, and create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Other key factors to consider include search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing. With these steps in mind, you can create a solid foundation for your AI-powered online business and start generating revenue from the comfort of your own home. Sharing success stories of people who have used AI to create profitable online businesses can be done by highlighting their journey and strategies. This can involve conducting interviews or featuring case studies of successful online businesses that utilize AI, including how they started, the challenges they faced, and how they overcame them. By highlighting the unique approaches and innovative solutions these entrepreneurs have used, the video can provide viewers with inspiration and actionable insights. It's important to showcase a variety of success stories from different industries and backgrounds to make it relatable to a wide range of viewers. Thank you for watching our video on making money online with AI technology. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and are always happy to answer any questions you may have. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks again for tuning in, and we look forward to hearing from you.